today we're going to make an East Coast Cali Korean octopus salad. I'm really excited about this one. We did a great trip to the market this morning. We bought a gorgeous octopus and we cooked the octopus in a kind of a non-traditional way. We just put some mirepoix on the bottom of the pot, some carrots, onions, and celery, and some green onions. And then we placed the octopus on it, put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top and a lid, and cooked it at a very low temperature, low and slow. So we're pretty excited to be using that octopus today. But we need to start by making a dressing. So I'm going to just make a very simple dressing. A little bit of lemon zest, not too much, we don't want it to be too strong, and a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of gochugaru. And I'm going to stir that together. I have here a white balsamic vinegar from California, which is kind of fun. A little bit of white vinegar and some extra virgin olive oil. So it's a very simple dressing, just a few ingredients, not too much, and we're just going to let that sit on the side while we start the next project. I have a local potato here, which is the same potatoes that we're using for the focaccia today. And I'm just going to cut that potato into some manageable pieces. And it's okay if it kind of breaks apart. Don't worry about it too much. I like the potato to be a little bit irregular in size, not a strict dice. So we're just going to slide our potatoes that are warm straight into that dressing. As well as that, I'm going to use a little bit of red onion. So I'm just going to do some slices of red onion, thinly sliced. And I'll add that to the potatoes. And I'm going to do a little bit of Persian cucumber. And again, I like to cut it a little bit irregularly. Doesn't need to be cut into beautiful, perfect slices. This is a rustic salad. So we're pretty excited to be cooking this with the local octopus today. And I love potatoes and octopus together. It's a perfect combination. Some green onion. And it's an easy dish to do at home because you can just add this all into the salad in one bowl. I also have here some shaved fennel that I'm going to add. And I have some celery that's been sliced on an angle and then blanched just really quickly and chilled in ice water. I'm going to give those ingredients a little toss through. I just want to be really gentle. I don't want to bang that potato up. And I want to see each ingredient nice and clearly. I have a little bit of green olives. You can add whatever kind of olives you like, but I think olives and octopus are a very nice blend. And some capers, of course, just to add that element of sort of brininess to our salad. Some capers. And I have a little bit of minced garlic, which I'll add as well. So next we're going to think about cooking this beautiful octopus. We cooked the whole octopus earlier, and we've just cut the tentacle off, ready to go. Add a little olive oil to my pan, not too much. And I'm going to place my octopus leg right in the olive oil. The reason I love this salad is a mixture of cold ingredients, the cucumber, the crunchy celery, and the fennel, with warm octopus and warm potatoes. And I think it's just a wonderful match. So let's have a little turn this guy around and get a nice char on it. While that's cooking, I'm just going to shred some of this beautiful local Korean parsley and add that to my salad. And I don't want to add it too early because the vinegar and the acid, the lemon juice, is going to turn it an olive color if I add it too early. And I've also got these wonderful local 갯방풍 greens. Hopefully I said that correctly. These are a local green from the area. Oh, look at that char. That looks delicious. Get a little salt on top of the octopus. And I'm going to add these greens to my salad. I love the look of them. And the flavor is really wonderful. So I always like to try them again. Oh yeah, this is going to be a great blend with the octopus. So we'll just toss that through. It looks pretty and it tastes amazing. I love these purple stems that are on it. Great, so now that we have our beautiful piece of octopus charred and ready to go, I'm going to do some nice slices of that. And you want to see that beautiful, look at the interior. It's so white and gorgeous looking. And we also want to see this lovely octopus crispy char on the outside. So it just looks so good. I'm very excited. And it's super tender. We had so much fun at the market today purchasing the octopus. So we'll just put that right into the salad, and I'm just going to cut this last bit up. It's a lot of octopus for that salad, but who doesn't love it? So we'll just spoon that octopus right in and give it just a very gentle toss. Always make sure you taste your ingredients before serving them. So now that we're ready to go with our salad, the flavor is great. If you need to, you can always put a little splash more vinegar or a little splash more olive oil, but I think we've got it right where we need it. And so we're ready to plate this. Want to make sure we can see some of those beautiful pieces of potato and octopus, as well as those really beautiful local greens. I love the mixture of the crunchy celery and fennel, along with this local octopus, and these greens, I'm addicted to them, which is too bad because I know we don't have them in California, but it is a really delicious item. It feels so fresh and so natural and from this area, and I'm really excited to use those. And so now we're going to top it with the California piece, which is our blue cheese from Point Reyes, the Point Reyes Original Blue. This was the cheese that started it all for Point Reyes, and look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, so this is going to go so beautifully with the octopus. It's going to have this really delicious, bright flavor, slight acidity, but richness as well, that we just are going to, our love with those local greens and the local octopus. It's really just going to be delightful. So we'll do that. And then I brought a little surprise from California, but it's actually Korean. And it's these crispy little threads of chili, which are not too spicy, but I think that they look so sexy on top of a salad or another item that you want to do it on, and they just always make it look really bright and fresh. So there we have it. That's our gorgeous local octopus and potato salad with our local greens, 갯방풍. So we're going to serve our octopus salad. Doesn't that look great?